Oh, what's good, guys? Another video today. Yeah, I've been waiting for a setup for so long, and I think finally I've gotten a setup. Yeah, we are in New York session. We've gotten a sweep right here. We've gotten a sweep, liquidity sweep right here, and we've gotten a break structure. With this double top got broken and I entered immediately the breakout occurred. So I'm expecting a buy, and there has been a bleed. Market has been bleeding due to the geometrical stuff that is happening in the world. USA bumping around. So we have this dip, right? We have this dip. So some people will call it free money, some people will call it different stuff. But I think I'll be targeting the year, this point and this point. So depending on how the market moves out, I'm going to start stacking very soon. I'm going to start stacking my positions very soon, and how we do it. We can also make the same money we are out to make once market reach here. We can also make the same money once it's reach here. That is just pretty much my logic. You get what I mean. So that is for this trade. I'm going to give you guys feedback once trade hits either take profit or stop loss. So waiting for some reasonable structure being created, something to start stacking. Hey, what's good, guys? Like, I want to give a breakdown of how my trade went. Remember, we took this trade. What was the trade? We took this trade yesterday. Alright, we took this trade yesterday. Where's the trade? Okay, right. This is the trade. We took this trade yesterday. Alright, so we went buying on this trade yesterday. The first signal I sent to the channel. The first signal I sent to the channel, which was this. Alright, this. Which ended up hitting stop loss. Alright, I sent this channel this signal. Which was the same exact same thing. Yeah, we hit stop loss. I didn't panic, it was just 1% down. Then I had to wait and see if market will give another opportunity. And yes, of course, market gave another opportunity. We have this liquidity sweep right there. This liquidity sweep right there. And we have the break. Right, and we had the break on the 5 minutes. Which was this. Right, though I didn't enter that quick. I think I entered around the spot. Yeah, but I was able to capitalize off of it. Capitalize off of it by scaling. I was able to capitalize off of it, and I made my loss. I made back my loss, and I made 1% extra. Right, so this was how my trade went yesterday. Right, which was on the 2nd of March 2026. Right, so I ended up making back my loss and having 1% extra profit on it. And so I didn't panic. I just executed my strategy. It showed and I executed it and it played well. Because you can understand what I mean. So that's it for this video.